how to reply to a specific text message on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then open up the text messages app. Next, open up the text conversation. Then go to the text message that you want to reply to. This is useful if you want to go back to a particular text message that you want to reply to. So if your text conversation flow go to another different conversations, a different topic, then you may want to return back to that particular text message. So here, touch and hold on the text message, and then tap on the more button, then tap on reply. And here we reply to this text message, which is asking what time. So I say tomorrow at 5 p.m. and tap on send. And that's it. So that's how you can reply to a particular text message in the conversation list on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.